My name is Riley with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton, Ohio. Here with me today is Otto. He is a 7-month-old Cavalier King Charles Spaniel who just completed our 2-week board and train program. This little guy's owners brought him to us just because they were really impressed with what we could accomplish in our 2-week board and train program. They really wanted to work on off-leash reliability and get a better handle on his obedience overall. Otto is a smart boy who really excelled in our program. Let's check him out when I first met him on day 1.
This is my first time getting to work with Otto. I'm asking him to come to me, and he will come to me purely out of excitement. He's not actually recalling to me very consistently. When I ask him to sit, he just jumps all over me. Same thing when I ask him to lay down, he jumps all over me some more. When I ask him to place on the object here, he does get on it just because he's not afraid of it, but he doesn't actually understand the place command, so he doesn't stay there very long. This little guy didn't pull excessively on leash, but he was a pain to walk in his own way. He would walk circles around you, he'd pick up anything and everything he could off the ground, and if there were people around, forget it, he would be pulling you to go see them.
The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is such an intelligent breed. They can really outsmart you if you're not careful. So we made sure to be very consistent, very black and white with Otto, and he did amazing. His obedience is rock solid, and I'm really confident with his off-leash reliability overall. Let's check out Otto after just 2 short weeks of training. Hey, go.